how to access the beta ChatGPT. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video, because it's super easy to do to like get access to the beta version of ChatGPT. You don't have to like really request anything, or you have to be special to be chosen or whatever. All you basically got to do is go to ChatGPT. Once you're here, you want to go to the URL. You want to change the first chat to beta, and then the /chat to playground, just like this. Once you hit enter, you will be brought to this page over here. For some reason, I have to log in now. The last time I did it, it didn't ask that, but I'm going to log in real quick. Once you're here, it will look like this. Now you can still ask the exact same questions as before. It will work the same, but you simply just have many more options. So over here, you have the models. Now this is the most recent one, like the newest one. And you also have the other ones, like older versions. Now you also have the temperature and the maximum length, where you can make the length like way longer, give like way longer answers. And you have more and more settings, which is pretty cool. Like, I am not sure what all of this is about, but you know, you can still like mess around with all of this. You even have different modes, just like that, which is cool. So yeah, this is how you can easily get access to the beta version of ChatGPT. I hope this quick video helps you out, and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.